Here we have a 22 plate Mercedes-Benz A180 AMG line executive. Now this vehicle comes with the 18-inch alloy wheels. We do also have the white exterior paintwork. Got the LED headlights, the big Mercedes badge in the centre of the front grille. And there's a look at that front end. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find the Edition badging on the sides. We have the colour-coded door handles, black door mirrors. We also have the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Front and rear parking sensors and a rear reversing camera with a visual display inside. Around to the back, you'll find the A180 badging on the left, rear diffuser, and then back around to the driver's side, and you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at the interior, have a look inside the back first. Inside of here you'll find half leather seats with the grey stitching and fixed ISO points, electric windows for the doors, same half leather seats for the front. Both front seats can be heated. There's a quick look at both of them. Take a seat inside, you've got the automatic lights. We also have the heated seat buttons on the doors. We have the ambient lighting as well, which runs right throughout the interior. Multifunctional steering wheel, digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle starts up. Let's make sure the volume is turned down. We do have phone connectivity buttons here on the left, along with paddle shifters either side, automatic gearbox, cruise control speedometer, digital dashboard, free from any warning lights. We also have the main infotainment screen, plenty of different features on here. You would have seen a few on the photos, but we can go through them quickly. If we go into the main menu, you'll find the phone connectivity for phone calls. We've got the radio stations, media options. We also have ambient lighting just here, plenty of different colour options to go through. You may be able to see it is inside of the vents. It also runs across the dashboard, across the doors. Back onto the main menu, if we go over to the apps, onto smartphone, you'll find Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Further down we have the climate control, the ice-cold air conditioning, nice gloss black trim down here. Press this switch to toggle through the drive modes. As you can see, we have individual, sport, comfort and eco. Into reverse camera appears on the screen along with the parking sensors on the right. Back into park, and that is all I'm going to show you today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT. Next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Mercedes-Benz A180 Executive Edition. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm at the 5 still to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left, or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we're doing the multifunction steering wheel, which does have the volume buttons and phone connectivity on the left, along with the cruise control and speedometer on the right. Digital dashboard as well in front of us. We are just at a junction here. We've got the right indicator on, making sure there's no cars coming. We'll go turn right, continue on our way, start to get up to speed again, nice and smoothly with the automatic gearbox. We do have paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel if you wanted to change gears manually. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Plenty more features as well throughout the interior. We've got the half leather seats, for example, which are really comfortable. Both front seats can also be heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. You'll also find the main infotainment screen here in the centre, currently shown with the sat nav, but also has plenty more features on there. We've just seen all on the photos. Got ambient lighting, which is inside of the vent, and runs all throughout the interior. Looks really nice, especially at night time. Dual zone climate control just below, the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. And we are going to take a right hand turn again, so right indicator on, slowing down, turning right onto Gravy Road, start to accelerate, get up to speed, going through the gears with no issues. We do have the different drive modes. We've got a little switch down here so you can easily toggle through the drive modes while driving. And we are approaching the dealership now. We're going to take it nice and steady, start to slow down as we come around this bend, left indicator on, and then we're going to turn left onto the dealership, and it will perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1, hold on to the brakes, into reverse camera appears on the screen, back into drive again, as you can see, with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with wanting to make rides with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.